Hello, good morning. This is the house that was gutted by fire yesterday evening around 7 o'clock in the evening in North Rongkhang number 2 Satgaon parish. Completely burned down. Teens, we have given some relief to them, small relief. I hope we will provide relief for today and for 1 or 2 days at least. So everything has been burned down, and luckily the paddy, newly cultivated paddy, they managed to save, as it was temporarily stored in the veranda. So people rush to the burning house and they managed to save this paddy, thank God. Otherwise it would have been completely lost. You will see here some leftover utensils.
Sini, safar. Sini, yang sini pak. Sini. Kamarnya ya tanya.
This is the textbooks, copy books, study materials of the girl of this family, daughter of this family. For those who like to help, please contact me 8131 828445. If anyone would like to reach out to this family that met with this misfortune of their house being completely gutted, can contact me. Once more I say 8131 828445. Trying to retrieve something. Luckily they have this small house here, and so they are planning to stay here for the time being. Among other things lost are important documents, Aadhaar cards and both voters ID cards and other documents as well. Hope the authorities will facilitate in getting duplicate documents for this family.